Welcome to our YouTube series on community management. In this episode, you will see community in action. Today's topic is how to create and manage topics in your community. If you're new here and haven't seen our previous videos on community creation, we highly recommend check it out first to gain a comprehensive understanding of building your community from the ground up. Now let's focus on topics. Topics are the lifeblood of any community. They fuel discussions, engage members, and drive collaboration. In this video, we will show you the process of creating and managing topics effectively, ensuring the community remains vibrant and thriving. Here is how to start. This is the community that I've created before, and now let's add a new topic on it. Here you should enter the title of your topic. Make sure it's specific and clear so members know exactly what the discussion will be about. Save. It will now be visible to all community members. Once your topic is posted, members can start posting within it. If you need to make changes to a topic or remove it, you'll find edit topic and delete topic options beside the topic name. Click on these three dots and here you can edit topic and delete topic.